I'm Dr. Angela Rodriguez. I'm with the School of Earth, Atmosphere and Environment at Monash University, and I'm so excited to be teaching in the Masters of Geographical Information Science and Technology. Welcome to a world where data meets geography, where technology intersects with the environment, and where your career in geospatial science begins. Our new Masters is a cutting-edge program designed to immerse you into the world of geospatial data management. Analysis, modeling, and visualization. From terrain analysis into ecosystem evaluation, this course unfolds like an adventure, blending theory with hands-on experience. This master will provide you the ability to analyze spatial data and solve complex problems. Your expertise will be invaluable across multiple sectors.
I'm Dr. Xuan Zhu from Monash University, your course coordinator and the author of GIS for environmental applications. In this program, you are learning to unleash your GIS potential, navigating the dynamic GIS landscape with confidence. Guided by experts at the forefront of this field, you gain the skill to tackle the real-world challenges. Our course structure is comprehensive, offering foundational knowledge, advanced techniques, extended studies, and real-world application opportunities through research projects or industry-based internship.
I'm Dr. Adam Kessler from the School of Earth, Atmosphere and Environment at Monash University, and I'm delighted to be launching the Master of Geographical Information Science and Technology. GIS is transforming industries worldwide, from urban planning to disaster response, public health to agriculture. The applications of GIS are vast and ever growing. Whether you're new to GIS or an experienced professional looking to enhance your skills, our program is tailored to meet your needs. You'll be prepared to lead in these dynamic fields using the latest technologies and methodologies. As a graduate, you'll find opportunities as a GIS analyst, urban planner, environmental scientist, and more. The demand for GIS professionals is high and growing. With the ability to analyse spatial data and solve complex problems, your expertise will be invaluable across multiple sectors. Are you ready to chart your course in the world of geographical information science? Join us and become a leader in the geospatial industry.